Zoom meetings vulnerable to hacking? Oh no, this sounds serious.
Did you see this email about Zoom meetings being attacked?
Yes.
Oh no, it says hacked. Okay, well that's better than attacked, but it's still bad. What do you think we should tell these teachers to do?
Well, we could tell them to secure their Zoom meetings, but I honestly think it's pretty complicated.
Yes!
Future Rachel? What's happening? Is this hacking?
I don't think this counts as hacking. I don't. Maybe it does. I actually don't know. But I know that she can help us. Okay?
Okay, I have so many questions.
Yeah, she does not love questions. Does not love them. Just don't ask them.
You know, for people being hacked, you guys took a really long time to pick up this call. We have not a moment to lose. Zoom hacking is happening, and it is an emergency.
What do we tell teachers? I mean, I think I know, but it's so complicated.
It's actually not complicated at all. Let's go ahead and go to the footage.
What footage?
It's coming. It's coming. It always comes.
Basically, there are only a few things to remember. First, make sure that you're not using a personal Zoom account. I know that way back in 2020, everyone was making Zoom accounts, so there were lots of personal ones going around. But to meet with students, teachers need to use their professional account, which means logging in with the SSO.
Hang on. When you say you're calling way back from, 2020, when are you calling
Girl,
from?
you know better. Next, go to your Zoom settings on the web and make sure that you have toggled on require that all meetings are secured with one security option. Then toggle on only authenticated users can join the meeting. This means all kids will have to sign in with their PCPS email to get into the meeting.
But what if a teacher creates a Zoom meeting in Schoology? Won't that mean only their students can join that meeting?
Unfortunately, it's not that simple. Creating meetings in Schoology does mean that students in that class can join, but they can also copy the meeting invitation and invite unauthenticated users. That is why it's important for teachers to double check their settings.
Wait a second. What about kids who are PCPS students but not students in your class? If all they need is a Polk email to get into the meeting, what stops them from, coming in and wreaking havoc?
So glad that you brought this up. That's where the waiting room comes in. As per your Zoom admins, way back in 2021, it was very futuristic thinking of them, all participants are automatically put in a waiting room. The teacher needs to admit them one by one to the meeting. Teachers know their rosters, and if there's an unfamiliar name or a kid who belongs to a different section, teachers just don't admit them.
So what if a teacher adds a kid by mistake? Can they kick them out?
They sure can. If you click the More option next to their name, one of the options is to remove. Teachers can also lock a meeting when everyone is present, and that way no one else can join or invite anyone else to join.
Okay, so no personal Zoom accounts, authenticate users, admit kids one by one, and lock the meeting. Ugh, sounds like a lot to remember.
Which is why I have prepared a song to help teachers remember these best practices. Marisa, if you look in your desk drawer, you will find...
Whoa, Maraca! This is great.
Hang on. Hey, okay, I gotta say it. Your powers, they're confusing. They're confusing and they are a little convenient, I must say. A little bit on the convenient side.
Would you feel better if you had your own maraca?
Yes, I would.
Look in your desk drawer. Personal Zooming is a no. Log on with the SSO. Protect your Zoom. Protect your Zoom. Stop the hackers at the gate. Make your kids authenticate. Protect your Zoom. Protect your Zoom. For all the kiddos to join the fun, remember to admit them one by one. Protect your Zoom. Protect your Zoom. When all the kiddos you can see, lock your meeting and sing with me. Protect your Zoom. Remember this tune. Protect your Zoom.
Thanks, Teacher Rachel.
Thank you.